how to turn off Snapchat location. So if you want to turn off your Snapchat location, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. And here, after opening your Snapchat, you can go to Maps, which is on the bottom left corner. And now after opening your Maps, you can go to the upper right corner, which has the settings icon. And then here you have enabled your location, right? So if you want to turn off your location, then you have to simply turn on your ghost mode, and then you have to tap on until turn off, and so that your friends won't be able to see your location. And the another way is you can simply open up your phone settings, and then after opening your phone settings, you can simply scroll down and you can go to location. And after opening your location, here you have to go to app access to location, and then here you can go to Snapchat, and after that from here you can simply tap on don't allow, and that's it. That's how you turn off your location on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.